you suffered from back pain or sciatica in the last 30 days? If so, there's something that I'd like to invite you to. It's the back pain and sciatica workshop that we're hosting right here at Tangles. I'm Natalie Reinard. I'm the owner here at Tangles Hair Salon and Day Spa, and I'm standing with Hirsch Shukla, who is one of the back pain and sciatica specialists at Orthopedic and Spine Physical Therapy in Carlisle. Hirsch, what are they going to learn at the workshop?
So at the workshop, you're going to learn the #1 single biggest mistake that back pain and sciatica sufferers make that usually results in delayed healing. You're also going to learn the top 3 reasons that back pain and sciatica occur. 2 of them are really common, but one of them can be really sneaky and it doesn't show up on x-rays and MRIs. That's the one that creates a lot of problems. The third thing you're going to learn is what successful treatment looks like without the use of medications, injections, and surgery.
So click on the button to register. It's somewhere located around the video, and we hope to see you there.